I sued a multi-million-dollar real estate company by myself with no lawyer. I represented myself, and now I'm set for life. The reason why I'm saying this is you can win a lawsuit too, and you do not need a lawyer. You can win your court case all by yourself like I did. Now I run a pro se support firm, have 20 paralegals working under me. If you want my help, you need to go to the link in my YouTube profile and book us for a consultation. Now, one of the main reasons why people never go through with lawsuits is a lot of people always say, I never knew I could sue for that. Or a lot of people don't know how to sue. The only thing most people know about when it comes to litigation is going to a lawyer. And what do you do when lawyers say, no, I can't take your case, no, I can't take your case, no, I can't take your case? Or what they'll do is they'll say, oh, my retainer is $8,000. Their retainer is not no damn $8,000. They're telling you that their retainer is $8,000 because they don't really want to take your case. I'm going to tell you guys my story. I'm probably going to make a video just detailing my story and what I went through from beginning to end. It's going to be a very long video, but I was wrongfully evicted from my home. It was a childhood home. That home actually belonged to a family member, and they were allowing me to stay in that home. Mind you, 3 generations grew up in that home. Well, the owner of that house, they wanted to sell the property, which is fine. They sold the property to a property management company. Well, when the property management company, when the property was sold to them, they're supposed to give you 30 days or however many days that your state allows you to, get yourself together and exit the premises. Well, the property management company didn't give a fuck about that. Their employees came knocking on the door, and they wanted me to get the fuck out right then, right there, about 2 days after they signed all the paperwork for the house. That is not how that legally works. They were threatening me. They told me that if I did not come out of the house, they were going to beat my ass and making all types of threats against me. I had to call the police. The police showed up. They left. But it didn't end there. They turned off my internet. They turned off my phone. They turned off my cable. They turned off my lights. They turned off my my water, which that is all illegal. If you want somebody out of a property, you cannot do what's called a self-help eviction. People cannot do things like turn your water off or turn your internet off or turn your cable off to try and get you to leave your house. They have to go through the proper legal procedures, and they have to get a sheriff to evict you. So I knew all of that. I knew my rights. It just was really hard for me because I didn't know how to sue. Took their asses to court, won that court case. So if you have a court case or a possible court case, and if you want to represent yourself, go to the link in my profile, book me for a consultation. I can help you sue on your own. And you might not see me again, so subscribe to me.